मेरा नाम आदित्य बरियार है और मेरा सिलेक्शन आरआरबी पीओ में फाइनल हुआ है। एसबीआई पीओ के इंटरव्यू में मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ है। आईबीपीएस पीओ के इंटरव्यू में हुआ है। आईडीबीआई एग्जीक्यूटिव मैंने क्लियर किया है एंड आई एम होपफुली कि आईबीपीएस क्लर्क भी मेरा क्लियर हो जाएगा। एंड ये सभी मैंने एग्ज़ाम फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में क्लियर किए हैं और इस पूरे श्रेय मैं NIBM रांची को देना चाहता हूँ।
May I come in, sir? Please, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Aditya Kumar Bariyar. I am 22 years old. I come from Ranchi, Jharkhand. And my family consists of 4 members. My father, mother, sister and me. My father is a serviceman. My mother is a homemaker. And my hobbies include craft making and collage making.
Can you tell me something about the working of IMF?
Sir, IMF stands for International Monetary Fund, and the basic work of IMF is to ensure the financial stability across the world.
What is the exact difference between World Bank and IMF?
So, World Bank aims to reduce the poverty across the world and support developmental projects. And IMF ensures the financial stability, and it supports in case
Suppose
of
Pakistan is running under foreign exchange crunch.
So,
So whether World Bank will come to help or IMF will come to help?
sir, I had read about it that Pakistan has consulted to IMF for the funds, but they have rejected.
No, I am not talking about it. Suppose this problem is there, IMF will come forward or World Bank will come forward.
Sir, as Pakistan is a developing country, it comes under developing country category. Then World Bank will help.
You are not touching the things. The requirement of Pakistan, not the requirement of Pakistan is crunch of foreign exchange.
Okay, sir.
They don't have sufficient foreign exchange.
So,
To
Support import.
they support their export import obligations.
yes, sir.
So which World Bank will come up, IMF will come.
Sir, IMF.
Can you tell me something about why the gradual value decline of Indian rupees?
Sir, the value of currency depends upon many factors. It depends upon the
I am talking
unemployment.
about your currency, Indian rupees only.
Sir, it is due to trade deficit also, and unemployment is one of the reasons, and influx of population is also one of the reasons for the devaluation of currency.
Have you heard about stimulus package?
Yes, sir.
What
Stimulus
is the
package.
stimulus package?
So, stimulus package is a package to revive the economy. Government increase money supply in the economy, reduce taxes through that package, so that the economy gets revived.
In this budget, what is the special preference given to the corporate sector?
Which sector, sir?
Corporate sector.
Corporate sector. So for MSMEs,
I am
emergency.
talking about corporate sector.
Big industries.
Big industries, corporate houses, not small, not agriculture. Corporate sector, Tatas, Birlas, Dalmias.
Sorry, sir, I am not able to recall.
It's an issue, but I have that tax on
Sorry, sir, I have to read about it.
Okay. Can you tell me something about self-help group?
So
Self-help group.
self-help group is a group of women formed in.
Only strictly women.
Sorry, sir.
Men cannot form group. Only women.
Yes, sir, only women.
Wrong. Men can also form self-help. Normally women are forming, no doubt, but no, men can also form. There is no restriction on that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is normal size of self-help group?
Sir, I am not able to recall.
Okay, fine. In what way it helps in financial inclusion?
Sir, in self-help groups, there are many women in the group and they contribute some amount, and whenever any member of that group needs any help in terms of financial, then the group members help that person in case
What
of
are
need.
3 important criteria that a self-help group must observe? 3 criteria. What are all those 3 criteria?
First, sir, the members of that group must be in a same geographical area.
Geographical area.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Now tell me, the most important personality from India who is presently working in IMF.
so she is Geeta Gopinath, who is the Deputy Managing Director of IMF.
So she is there.
Yes, sir. She has been promoted to Deputy Managing Director.
Now he is the chief economist.
Previously she was chief. Previously. Now she
Heavy
now she was promoted. Okay, fine. Now can you tell me about the chief economic advisor, name of the chief economic advisor of the country?
Sir, he has been recently appointed. His
What
name
his
is Sri Venkat Anant Nageshwaran ji. He is the Chief Economic Advisor.
What is the background of that Mr. Nageshwaran? What is the background?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware.
You are not aware. Okay, fine. Now tell me, what is the difference between a booming economy and a slowing economy?
Sir, a booming economy generally grows at a high growth rate, generally more than 7 or 8%, and a slowing economy grows at a growth rate of generally less than 2 or 3%.
Can you tell me something about hyperinflation?
So hyperinflation is out of control inflation. When there is extremely rapid or out of control inflation is generally more than 10%. It's known as
Presently, India is passing through this type of inflation.
Sir, it is walking inflation. Yes, sir. 5 to 10%, 3 to 10% is walking inflation, and above that is running inflation. And currently CPI is 5.2%.
Can you define cheap money and cheap money?
Sir, the money which has been borrowed at a low rate of interest is known as cheap money.
Can you highlight a few factors which leads to up and down in the sensitivity index of capital market? Sensex and liquidity. A few factors.
Sorry, sir, I have to read about that.
Now tell me who is the chairman of SEBI?
So Sri Ajay Tyagi ji is the chairman of SEBI.
Okay. Which is also.
What are the third-party product of the bank nowadays?
Financial products, sir.
Third-party product.
Third party product, okay. Sir, demat account, mutual loans, mutual funds, and insurance products. These are the third party products of a bank.
What are the can you name some of the IT product of the bank?
Sir, IT products of the bank are RTGS, real-time gross settlement, NEFT, and IMPS. These are the IT products of the bank.
There is a prescribed percentage of total advance for agriculture advance.
In priority sector lending, sir?
Yes.
Sir, it is 18%. It's 18% it is.
Are you sure about that?
So I will check it out.
18% of what?
Sir, it is 18% of adjusted net bank credit.
What is safety deposit locker?
Lockers, sir. So bank provides a facility to its customer to keep their tangible assets safe with the bank, and bank charges commission for that. That is known as locker.
Can you tell money kept in current chest, whose money belongs to it?
Sir, it belongs to RBI. And sir, the cash reserve ratio and statutory liquidity ratio, that bank maintains it with currency chest and it belongs to RBI.
Cash portion only,
Yes.
not
yes.
the gold or
Yes.
government securities.
Sir.
When government demonetize some money, what it is fits, what what way it is deal with. Suppose take away particular denomination of money currency, so then and call back it to the bank. Then what they do with that?
Sir, when government demonetizes any money, then they squeeze all that money from the market and then destroy it with high security.
What is the scale of financing agriculture?
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
What is NPA?
Sir, any asset in which bank ceases to generate any income, that is known as NPA. For example, in case of term loan, if the interest of principal amount does not come in the bank for consecutively 90 days, then it is declared as non-performing asset.
Okay. What is the mode of charging security in bank loan? What are the
So there are two types of securities. First is primary security and second one is collateral security.
That is the type of security. And what is the mode of charging security?
Sorry sir, I can't read you.
मान लो आप घर हाउसिंग लोन दे रहे हैं, तो लोन दे दिए, घर हमारा है, जब तक लोन नहीं चुकता रहेगा, ऐसा तो नहीं होता, उसके लिए कुछ कार्रवाई तो करना पड़ता है ना. व्हाट इज दैट, व्हाट वे दैट इज डन. और दूसरा बिजनेस के लिए दिया, तो उसमें हमारा सिक्योरिटी जो है उसमें कैसे चार्ज करेंगे हम?
Sorry sir, I'm not that much aware about that. I have to read about that.
What is RD deposit?
Sir, if any person wants to earn interest same as that of fixed deposit account, but he wants to deposit that money in the monthly basis, then that person can open an recurring deposit account with the bank and he can earn the interest like that of fixed deposit.
What is NPS?
National Pension Scheme. Sir, it is a pension scheme that is launched by government, and under this monthly sum amount is being deducted from the salary, and after 60 years of age, a cumulative amount has been is to be given to the person from whose account the money is deducted.
What is, which is the controlling body of insurance?
Sir, IRDAI is the controlling body of insurance.
And what is the controlling body of telecommunication?
Sir, TRI is the controlling body of telecommunication.
Why education loan has been kept in the priority sector advance?
So because at past time banks generally gave loan to only corporate sectors and those are involved in export sector. But education sector, there are many students who want education loan. That's why it has been included in the priority sector lending by the RBI.
Recently, some agitation is going on in Jharkhand regarding language.
Yes.
What is that and what are the language for which they are objecting and why?
So there are two languages that are being included in the constitution. First one is
Constitution.
Sorry sir, I am not able to recall the exact where it has been included. Two languages are there. First one is Maghi and second one is Bhojpuri. And they are protesting because these are languages of Bihar and generally the people of Bihar get extra advantage due to this. That's why they are protesting against this.
Can you tell that uranium is a mineral in Jharkhand where it is found?
Sorry sir, I am not aware about it.
Okay. Who was the first governor of Jharkhand?
So Sri Prabhat Kumar was the first governor of Jharkhand.
And who was the first chief minister?
Sri Babulal Marandi was the first chief minister of Jharkhand.
When Jharkhand state was formed?
So around 15th November 2000, Jharkhand was formed.
What is safe custody?
Safe custody. So safe custody is a place where the tangible assets are kept safe with the bank or any other financial institution.
What is the difference between private company and public company?
Sir, in private company, the majority of the stake is held by private players, but in a public company, the majority of the stake is held by the government.
What is public sector bank?
Sir, a public sector bank is a bank in which the majority share is held by the government of India. That are the public sector banks.
Percentage?
Sir,
Minimum percentage?
It is 50. The minimum percentage is 51%, and in case of State Bank of India, the shareholding of government is 61.23%.
बेसिक और अकाउंटिंग कितने तरह के अकाउंट्स होते हैं?
So there are 3 types of accounts: personal account, nominal account, and third one is real account.
नॉमिनल अकाउंट में क्या है?
Sir, it consists of income and expenditure, profit and loss account.
ये बताओ ब्रेक इवन सिचुएशन क्या है?
Sir, the break-even point is a point where the expenses of the company on that product and the income of the company from that product is same. That point is known as break-even point.
No profit, no loss.
Yes, sir, no profit, no loss.
Okay. Now, what is debt equity ratio?
Sorry, sir, I have to read about it. Yes, sir, but I'm not able to recall at the moment.
ये कासा किसी का है?
Sir, CASA is current account and savings account that is maintained with the bank.
और आपका fixed deposit, recurring account and fixed account.
Yes, recurring
Which
account.
is better for the bank?
Sir, both are equally important because in CASA, sir, banks get amount in very low rate of interest for further investment, and in fixed deposit, bank get amount for a very long period of time, so that bank can utilize it.
Okay. So what is monetary aggregate?
Sorry, not able to.
M1, M2, M3, M4.
I have to read about that, sir.
ये बताओ depreciation what are different type of depreciation?
Sir, I recall only one, that is straight line method of depreciation.
Written down?
Yes, sir, one is written down method of depreciation.
हाँ तो ये स्टेट बैंक का इस क्वार्टर में नेट प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ?
Sir, the net profit of the State Bank of India in Q3 result of financial year 2022 is grown by 62%, and the net profit is 8,432 crores.
What is the total deposit of the State Bank of India on 31st December?
Sir, I am not able to recall the amount.
It is something 36 lakh crore.
Sir, I will.
Total advances. What is the punchline or the tagline for State Bank?
Sir, there are various punchlines and taglines of State Bank of India. Some of them I can enlist. First is pure banking, nothing else. Second is with you all the way. Third is a banker to every Indian.
Banker to India.
And
Okay. What is mission statement?
So the mission of State Bank of India is to be committed to the simple, responsive, and
what is difference between vision statement and mission statement? Leave it. Don't do it. How will you define SBI logo?
Sir, SBI, the logo of SBI depicts the custodian that the bank had with it.
What is SBI logo? Describe it. What is this? You might have seen.
Yes, sir, it signifies custodian.
Custodian.
Yes, sir, that the bank is custodian of the money that the depositors have deposited in the bank. Locker facility.
Okay.
Token facility.
Okay, thank you.
तुमने तैयारी कहाँ से की?
NIBM से।
मेरा अभी फाइनल सिलेक्शन हुआ है आरआरबी पीओ में, उत्तर बिहार ग्रामीण बैंक में।
मेरा फाइनल सिलेक्शन आरआरबी पीओ में हुआ, जो कि रिजल्ट 1 जनवरी 2022 को ही आया।
मैं NIBM को बधाई देता हूँ कि इतने सारे विद्यार्थियों को हर साल बैंकिंग की परीक्षाओं में सफलता दिलवा रही है।
सारे कोविड के गाइडलाइन को फॉलो करते हुए हम लोग अभी क्लासेस करेंगे और आप जो सपना देख रहे हैं उस सपने को हम दोनों मिलकर पूरा करेंगे।
NIBM